Minerals coming to us. Hello.
Pledge of Loyalty. We, the graduates of Cabalanchan Elementary School, in grateful remembrance of our school and our teachers, do hereby solemnly pledge to act from this day forward in a manner that will make us fully deserving of our goals and ideals that our teachers have taught and given us, to work hard for the betterment of our school and our community, to strive for peace, to lead a life morally upright, physically strong, and spiritually sound,